Hello students, welcome back to the Python series. We have already seen the conditional statements in the previous videos. Now let's look at some programs related to the conditional statements. We have these programs using symbol if else, nested if else ladder. So let's see these programs one by one. First, let's have a look at the first program. The first program is to input a number and check whether the number is 0 or non-zero. So, first we need to input a number and we need to check whether that is 0 or non-zero. So, we have used a variable n for that and we are inputting the number. Because this inputs the values as string, we are converting that to integer. And now the number n is ready, and using the relational equality operator we are checking whether that number is equal to 0. If it is 0, we are displaying entered number is 0, otherwise it is not 0. Now let's see the next program. Next program is to find the larger of two numbers. So we need to input two numbers and we need to check whether those numbers, which one is the larger one. So we are using the variable a and b. To that variable we are in a, we are inputting the first number, then to b we are inputting the second number, and with if else structure we are checking a greater than b. If it is a is greater than b, we are displaying a is greater than b. So the value of a and the b will displayed along with this message. Otherwise b is greater than a symbol. So using the symbol if else you can do that program. Now let's see the next program, that is the third one. That is, we want to check whether a number is positive or negative. We just want to check whether a number is positive or negative. So after inputting the number, here also we use the same variable n, and after inputting the number we are checking n greater than 0. If n greater than 0, definitely it is positive. Again we are using elif. Instead of else we are using elif because the user may input a 0 there. So 0 is neither positive nor negative. So to avoid that situation we are using another condition here using elif. Elif means the else if short. This is a keyword. So using this elif we are giving another condition, that is n less than 0. If that is, we are displaying it is a negative number. So that's all this program. So let's run this one. I'm executing this program. I'm just giving a negative number -7, so it is displaying it is negative number. Once again I am executing the program, and if I'm giving number 8, it will show it is a positive number. Now let's move on to the next program, that is to check whether a number is alphabet or digit. We want to check, we want to enter a character, and after entering that we need to check whether it is alphabet or digit. Okay, so first input a number, a character to C. Okay, I'm just using a variable C for that. And alphabet means A to Z. It must be between A to Z. It may be a capital letter or small letter. So we are checking whether it is between A and Z. So if that checking, checking that we are using relational operator C greater than or equal to A in single quotes or double quotes. That means we are checking as per the coding system. So if the entered letter is greater than or equal to A and C less than or equal to Z, that means between small letter A and Z. This means between capital letter A or Z. and it is connected using the logical operator OR. So it's a complex condition. So if you are studying that string functions, it will be easier for you, but as of now we are using this technique to check whether it is an alphabet. Now next we need to check whether it is digit. So for that we are entering this as character, so 0 to 9 will be the digit. So we are checking whether it is greater than or equal to 0 or less than or equal to 9. Because it is entered as character, we are inputting this, we are giving that 0 and 9 in single quotes. Now if that is not the case, we are just displaying neither alphabet or digit. So let's run this program. I am just giving T. It's an alphabet. Okay, once again I am running the same program. I am entering 7. 7 is a digit. So that's all this program. Now let's go to the next program, that is to accept an alphabet from the user and display whether it is a vowel or consonant. So A, E, I, O, U, we need to check whether the entered value is A, E, I, O, U or not. If it is A, E, I, O, U, you can simply say it is a vowel. So just checking whether it is a vowel. That means the condition for that is A, E, I, O, U. See, if you are writing a if condition, I have commented this. If this is in red color, I have already commented this. So if actual checking is, we want to check whether it is A, E, I, O, U. It may be small letter or capital letter. That is what we want to check. But this thing, for checking that, we have used this checking. Using the in operator, membership operator, you can easily check whether it is alphabet or whether it is a vowel or consonant. So this is the in operator is used for doing so. Then if it is within this A, E, I, O, U, we are displaying it as a vowel, otherwise consonant. Before this if else, even though we are telling the user to input an alphabet, there is a chance for inputting some other characters. So to check that, outside this if else, we are using another if to checking whether it is an alphabet. So this is meant for checking whether it is alphabet or not. Okay, entered character is alphabet or not. That is the checking happening here. Then only we are entering to the vowel or consonant checking. So if the user is not inputting an alphabet, we are displaying enter a alphabet, then only you will get your result. That is the message we are displaying there. So these are the symbol. Actually in this case we are using a nested if. Within this if true part, we are adding another if else. So this is nested if. In the previous program we are using if else ladder. If, then elif, then an else. This is if else ladder program. And this program also if else, if ladder. This is simple if else, and here also simple if else. So let's see the rest of the programs in the next video. Thank you.